So in the next problem, we're trying to find the vector sum. So it looks a little messy, but this line right here is going to represent vector A, this is going to represent vector B, and this line is going to represent vector C. To make it more clear, this is A, B, and C. So for a vector, let's choose vector A. This part is going to be the head of the vector, and this part is going to be the tail of the vector. Now to find the sum of the vector A plus B plus C, what we can do is find this vector right here that's going to unite the tail of vector A and the head of vector C. So just to make sure, when we do the sum, we're going to go from the tail, in this case from vector A to the head of C. But if we were going to do the difference, the subtraction, going to go from head to head. So the picture is not so clear, but we're going to do the best. Going to erase this. The tail of vector A connecting the head of vector C is going to call it a vector S. So for vector S, we're going to have both X and Y components. So if we look closely, we're going to start at the bottom of vector A, y equals 4, and we're gonna end up right here at y equals 3. So it's going to be -1. And that should give us -1 uy. Now in regards with the x component, we're going to move from 1 to 3 in the positive direction. So from 1 to 3, we're going to have positive 2ux. So that means that the vector sum, vector A plus vector B plus vector C, we said it was going to be vector S. And that, in this case, we said that the y component was going to be -1 uy plus 2ux. And this is the final answer.